The TAI TF-Kaan, also known as the National Combat Aircraft MMU, is Turkey's most ambitious defense project, a fully indigenous fifth-generation stealth fighter jet being developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI). It is designed to eventually replace the Turkish Air Force's aging F-16 Fighting Falcons and operate alongside the F-35, which Turkey was once a partner in before being removed from the program. The TF-Kaan aims to rival advanced jets like the F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor with its cutting-edge features. It incorporates stealth shaping, internal weapons bays, radar-absorbent materials, and low observability to reduce its radar cross-section. It will be equipped with an AESA radar, advanced avionics, artificial intelligence-assisted mission systems, sensor fusion, and electronic warfare capabilities. This aircraft is being developed in twin-engine configuration, providing high thrust, maneuverability, and endurance. Until Turkey's indigenous engine is ready, the prototype uses General Electric F110 engines, the same as the F-16. Future models will use the locally developed TRMotor, ensuring independence from foreign suppliers. The TF-Kaan is designed for air superiority, deep strike, suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD, electronic warfare, and multirole missions. It will carry a mix of weapons, including indigenous air-to-air missiles like Bozdoğan and Gökdoğan, precision-guided bombs, standoff missiles, and advanced air-to-ground munitions. Its internal weapons bay will maintain stealth during missions, while external hardpoints can be used when stealth is not critical. The jet completed its first flight on February 21, 2024, marking a huge milestone in Turkish aviation history. Serial production is planned for the late 2020s, with initial service entry expected around 2028 to 2030. Once operational, TF-Kaan will not only strengthen Turkey's air power but also be a potential export product for allied countries seeking affordable fifth-generation technology.